Daddy, Mammy can't say me chow cry na fe, man inside your mobile crown count. Unim demonstration we are omokoye. Brother, unim say omojiska. Demonstration we are crofo we so omo no mo dwene Ghana ho. Omo no mo do Ghana. Unim say boys ni jiska no mo ko yes ade. Brother, omo ko fa madam for baako ono su wo zongo boys bi pa say ono so fa ne boys na mra mehia mo ho. E na wan fa nko. O say ono de ohu hwe kura no. Akufuado and a planting for food and jobs. Aba ni ni anu mo free. No for buy ya no mo say so many na baby come back omudua ba yire ni ade ade. Intia den on fa omo emra embeye to trust him. These people went there and they got paid. Alombo bites ya ye chair the sa de na se no. Na me so mo twen. So mo say demonstration na o do mo twen pictures e beba. Alombo bites ene doko no obuko di ne sa eyi na se no. Na we are wa be kire wo say fix the country. Now when to me and so that yeah would say Captain Smart we ya na say be gina o ka say Kufuado free education or the about so anya bibi epo anka wa he's the best president.
No.
Eja Captain Smart gina the radio so ka free education we ya Kufuado dia be. So anya bibi kura bi anka ho he's still the best president in Ghana. Iti Mibisa Ghana for say ja eba ne sen. Ejey Mibisa Ghana for say eba ne sen ena Kwame A+ ya wono de wo yo nnwom de man na Kufuado say Kufuado kwa na betumi asesa Ghana. Ene yeyi ne to akonwa nti we be no say Kufuado nya edidi Kufuado atem. Na wo Ghana ni ayatetew. Wo ma me atetew a ye di nyansa atetew. Wakwaji enu ade ne de yesi pani ni Ghana bi o. Opani. Obi aba we create sa adwuma no koso was your nyashi because your method is gamma kwase bi to say wo wundi enti no aban ne nyashi because who do a fool and a baby party na enti no ya ba wo hwenti aban ne nyashi we akwasea what the America no mo amudi sa fix the country ne sa avamu anwa na chi na mo ya bodamfo ma madwene nya adwuma mo ya jimifo akwasea mpafo ma madwene nya adwuma. Because now what the one quasia fact na ba the NT ma dia from Bemose kan ye no kure no now what the abane ya chese ye no kura manu so no when you ask them 3 arms of government they stupidly don't know how many arms of government do we have in Ghana. Ye nim so you graduate we or the papers na mo pay juma won ye juma. How good is your graduate papers when you don't even know the 3 arms of government in Ghana? How do you know? How you do not know the 3 arms of government that works or that governs in Ghana? And you come and sit there and tell me, say, we are going to follow third party. Because yeah, Papa is in the Munumini now by to me. What did I make? Papa is in the third party to me. Now, in any case, and then them a day babumo. Unia, me say, so what jine edahwa or katecha FIFA wouldn't be the standard barrier. The track record ne den. Or ye den. Edi an odeba Ghana. Or see yanto constitution ingu. Na Ghana nkasa no F4 everate. And I make us sometimes say I know my Phil Rollins. Mo fan chemi. I know my Phil Rollins. Now Rollins are penswa. Kwasia to say obetumi akofuru ayi unika ase atete obetumi akofuru ayi akodira say yanto constitution ngu god damn it kade de bayo bi ni eso na Kufuado abasebone Kufuado a NDC fo akoto abetia na sela wakoje vaccine dia abewo mo me dwene ho amenti ase because I can break obi say no ke de srade na ese de wo mo ajimi fo obi say na ese nke de srade and a mere gumu na mu more cause my doing yeduma. And net the when you light them into where he said 4 years ago now with the doom so. And not the oba echo free education into we visa with your every 2 months. The Anna was a stammer for us for school fees. Over the free say, what in Germany, every week I tell you, and I like to do more, and I do more, brother, and I win you and I win you, your frozen fish cabra. Will be the free education, but then on outside of one talk, until you don't even need the appreciation of what the man has done. Only for the digitization we need to last time. Now, let's get into it. I'm ready now to get into it because it's 1 o'clock. I fire to 2 o'clock and we close. Good. National Health Insurance Scheme and Baubiada Rumenti. I digital. National Health Insurance Scheme. I digital. The same digitization. What the America will enjoy. The same thing is there in Ghana. And so you don't appreciate your own and the little beginnings you have. Mobile, digital. Snake, digital. Banking, digital. Because I know the call Ghana Mihubi. Digital. Gapoha, digital. Now, who see property? Your man digital address. It can be traced. What you way? What you fear? What's who call fan call? Who file phone? Now I bought pa or fan call both na de kwa within 5 minutes. Car ba or they call. A brochireha, meti hey, me person me go Jane and Fincher. Me found me phone. Now me bought left. And as me bought Uber. Na car be family. Ed me call. What's your brochire? What's your mind? No system me yejuma. Aban or no sa de ni bia ba wo Ghana no. Aban or no. Edi or no sa policy na aboa wo brochire a wo kanfo brochire no. Edi ba Ghana. Wo sa kwasi ampafo bi abedada mo say aban ni nya de ntimu nkoto no ntie ho na wo ko. Wadwene wo fom. Wadwene nya adwuma. I said, brother, I spent some weeks in Ghana here. There was no one day light of. Oh, and young madam, me and Kasana Namo Ghana June, the way of June, and Namo to June 19th. So I just say, me wa Ghana to June 19th. Me said that Mr. Drew, I'm sending the video be brave when I'm playing nimu. Time when I'm playing the way we want na ANC no. Me go do Ghana 2nd of June no. Kura na end this for the pressure to ya so say. Chinchinia, you make no one can say doom swaba. Doom swaba because on my pension, doom swaba, you went to me managing year for 4 years. Obia Bassa, ye doom ye change your lines. Ah, Ghana near won't shame and you have from the meeting. Who's the area? Who the part of Possamame? Yeah, Possamame. Who show me area? Who the pefe send crofobia the bicycle and the num a ye. Why is this why you fix it? When it's here, Ghana for when it's here. Now we see NDC for as you look at the other country, say, yeah, pants from okay, doom so to say, doom so, and you found Koyaguma. This day, you see them talk about doom so. 2017, time one year reverse flow, neta in our Ghana gas, I just powers no call down, Kakada no Mokai. We should come and beg them to help us solve doom so. Meanwhile, no more free say. Omaka said they solved doom so before they left. They came and told us that they solved doom so before they left. Yet 2017,